sa ating unang pagpasok sa eskwelahan, sa ating tagumpay, sa ating tao, she is always there with us. Brothers and sisters, this song is dedicated to a mother and to all mothers, that they are always there with us whenever we are triumphant in our life or sorrowful in the trials that we face every day. Ang ina, siya ang ating kaagapay. Kapag ang isang pare ay tinawag na maging obispo, ang unang-unang itatanong ng nunsyo, ano ang iyong episcopal motto? At ito ang motto ni Carol Wojtyła na ginawa siyang auxiliary bishop at later on bishop ng Krakow in Poland. Totus tuus. And when he was elected Pope in 1978, he maintained that motto, Totus tuus. Ito ay nangyari sa isang libro na sinulat ni St. Louis de Montfort na ang title To Devotion to Mary, na binasa niya ito nung siya pa isang seminarista. Na sa Latin ay masusulat, Totus tuus ego sum et omnia mea tua sum, accipio te mea omnia prevenii cordorum Maria. Ibig sabihin, I belong entirely to you, and all that I have is yours. I take you for my own, O Mary. Give me your heart. Kung ating babasahin ang Catholic Catechism number 501, 1975, ang totus tuus ay pagbibigay ni Maria ng kanyang puso sa ating lahat. Ang puso ng ina, ang susi sa tagumpay ng anak. Ang tunay na ina, ibibigay niya ang lahat para maalagaan lamang ang kanyang anak. Ganun din ang ginawa ni Maria. Binigay niya ang kanyang puso, binigay niya ang kanyang katawan sa Diyos upang maging ina ng Diyos. Totus tuus is not just a Marian motto. It is also a Christological Italian motto. Na kapag binigay ni Maria ang kanyang puso, ibinibigay niya sa atin ang Diyos. At tayo, mga kapatid, nang ibigay ni Maria si Jesus sa atin, tayo, ano tugunan? Handa ba namin ibigay ang lahat para kay Jesus? Totus tuus, Maria.
Good evening. Are you still with us? What a nice start to celebrate our fiesta with this meditative concert about Mary. As we know that Mary is our queen, not only in the universe, but the queen in our hearts. That Mary will always be with us, a great consolation for us. So at this point, I would like to thank all, or one way or another, made this concert possible. First, I would like to thank, ako may nag-text, after na lang po. Magpa-picture na siya. So after na lang. The BBC officers, the Paris Council officers, I see Kuya Jerry and the other BBC officers. Masyado kasi maliwanag ang Nancy. Sino pa ba? Basta BBC officers, maraming salamat. Of course, particularly to Father Emil. Alam ko, si Father Emil is not feeling well. Kaya hindi siya nag-smile. No? But he researched a lot just to give us the queenship of Mary. Let us understand the queenship of Mary. Father Emil, thank you very much. And of course, to Teacher Allen Vittorio, siya ang merong pakanan at idea nito to have an answer. It's a tribute to Mary, a very nice tribute to Mary. And of course, the seminarians, nasa ano sila? Parang nasa likod, may kanya-kanyang partners na ata. The instrumentalist, yung nagbabayle, ano ba yung yung sa keyboard, maraming pong salamat. Mga conductors, sabi ko pati na mga drivers, kasi may conductors, ay mga drivers din. Thank you very much. And of course, our dancer, talagang napakagaling na dancer, China Gabriel. Thank you very much. Kasano ka? Turuan mo ko ha. The OLCP Choral, thank you very much. And different area chapel choirs, the Holy Family, and then St. Isabel Moreno Chapel of Biglan. Maraming pong salamat. The Voice Choir Plus, plus. Kaya nagtataka itong Voice Choir. May plus, dahil may kasama ng babae. Okay. Thank you very much. For our palace youth, I think they were here. Sila nagpantay din sa gate with Ma'am Lani and Ellen. Thank you very much. Mamaya na tayo magbigay kung magkano na ano natin siya. And of course, to our stage group, all those persons who prepared this, stage and sound system, anong tawag yan? Projector girl. Maraming pong salamat. I don't just like this special mention. Give thanks, no? If you notice, ayaw nilang pasalamatan, hindi nilang gustong i-mention yung nag-donate po ng ating OLCP image. Very good, very nice. Ipano ang Manansala family. Kaya sa deposit nila palang hindi kayang isa sa loob lang, kailangan talaga magpasalamat tayo sa kanila. Ipano and Manansala family. And of course, to all of you, parishioners at OLCP, our concert tonight, hindi lang ito successful, but meaningful because of your presence. Paano na kaya pag wala kayo? sinong manunood at papalakpak. Kaya your presence made a big difference in our celebration. Thank you very much. I would like, after my song kanina, may nag-text sa akin, ang galing-galing. Sabi ko, who you? We have visitors from Tondo. Father Philip at mayroon sa mga kasama. Nandito siya. Nandito. Father Philip, thank you for coming. And of course, if you notice, we have a very beautiful decoration sa church natin. Hindi pa nakita ang iba dahil tinakpan to the mall. Mary's altar here. Marami kong salamat sa inyo. Uy, mag-edit na din ka pala. Nandito ba si Bishop? Pero kung kalwa mo lagi, ay si Father Mark. Well, thank you very much. At hindi pa tapos ang laban. Tomorrow, we'll have a long day. We'll have 9 o'clock typical mass. Bishop Tobias, you're all invited. At this point, we would like to invite you to sing with us our OLCP hymn. Thank you very much. And let us all stand.